If your KitchenAid freestanding ice machine is not producing ice, it's displaying error codes, or cycling incorrectly, the control board could be the culprit. I'm David with AppliancePartsPros.com, and in today's video, I'll guide you through testing and replacing the key components. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a multimeter, a light, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a towel. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your freestanding ice machine or turn the breaker off. If you still got ice in the bin, do yourself a favor. Lay a towel over it. The screws in the ice machine are stainless steel, which means they're not magnetic. Drop one into the ice, good luck finding it. Drop one into the drain at the bottom, even worse. Trust me, I have been there, done that. Unplug the grid connection along with the bin thermistor. Then remove the screws holding the grid in place and slide it out. The only time we should check a control board is if there is a voltage issue where a certain component is not getting proper voltage. Instead, let me show you how to get to it. First, unplug the unit. There are 4 recessed screws, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Once those screws are out, the console should drop down. From there, you've got access to the control board and the transformer. To remove the control, remove all the wire connections and then the Phillips head screws. Here's the old control board and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Mount the control using the Phillips head screws, then reconnect all the connectors, making sure they are in place and secure. Hold the console in place and secure it with the 4 screws. Install the cutting grid, attach the bin thermistor and grid connection, reconnect the plug, and you're done. Nice work getting that control board swapped out on your KitchenAid ice machine. If you've got a minute, drop a comment below. Let us know how the repair went for you. Still need a new control board or any other parts? Just grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most parts ship fast, usually within a couple of days, so you're not stuck waiting around for ice. Thanks for letting us be part of the fix. We'll see you on the next one.